Start with the two of you, Dhwani and Visarg. What exactly are you guys working on?
Yes, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are. Go ahead.
Okay, so hi, I'm Dhwani. I'm studying Electronics and Communication Engineering from BVM Engineering College, Gujarat. So right now, because of the coronavirus spread, India is under lockdown, and so we didn't have anything to do. So we thought of innovating something by staying at our home. So as you can see here, we have made a contactless infrared temperature sensor, temperature scanner. Now, what does it do is that it will take the temperature of a person, and it will, and when you keep a sensor in front of a person, it will show the body temperature here on the screen, and also it will take a picture of that person, which will be sent to the servers. So now what it does is that where it will also, along with taking the body temperature, it will send the image of a person whose temperature is taken, and it will be sent to the government servers. And because of that, it would be quite easier for the government to identify the people who have high temperature.
So this is one step away from up from the infrared scanners, and this also takes a photograph.
Yes.
So literally, if you put this on a
Yes,
tripod
exactly.
at a railway
Yes, exactly,
station,
sir.
and somebody just walks past it, stands for a few seconds, their photograph gets taken, and the temperature gets recorded.
If they want to.
Okay.
So what is it? So the thermal scanners that we have right now for checking the temperature are very costly. They are around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees.
Yeah.
And this did cost me around 3,000 rupees. So it's very cheap. And if we go further for the mass production, then it would cost around 1,500 rupees. So it would be very easier for the government.
Okay. So now you're prototyping this. How do you now? I mean, this one prototype is one thing. What help do you need to now get things like this tested and then put into production?
Yes, so also because as you mentioned, I would also like to say that our government has this policy, which is Student Startup Innovation Policy, especially in Gujarat, which is known as SSIP. So it helps the students to, provide the funds that are needed for developing these innovations, and they also provide various these devices that are needed for the
Okay, so we need, now we need people, so public telecast, people watching this to connect to Dhwani and Visarg. We'll put on our Facebook page, we'll put a link to what all they've been doing, and now help them get something like this into production and manufacturing. There's one thing to come up with a prototype, and one thing is to mass produce it. And if